Ice.
Oh, hi, Icy. Hi.
Yeah, it's a little wolf.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is a very special Porsche. I'm not a Porsche fan, but this is. Come on, baby. She likes you. This is a very special Porsche. I'm not a Porsche fan, but I'll tell you this. This is a super duper unbelievable Porsche right here. See it from the back. I'll go close in if you can see the Carrera GT. Yeah, that's a special Porsche. This is all in Elfanaya's parking lot. Isn't that fantastic? We have amazing things happen here at Coronado. It doesn't happen too often anywhere else. So many things. Here's a beautiful Jag. I believe this is an FX. Let me have a look. No, it's an XK. It's a special car. A lot of these things are more for the blokes. We've got some other specimens around here. Here we have an older Ferrari, which is rather nice. This over here, Ferrari America. This is a really pretty nice car, really. You know, it's kind of special. And there's my favorite again, the Ariel. It'll wipe all of these cars off the face of the planet. It's so fast. It's over 200 miles an hour. And come on, baby. And very special cars.